Let's go from all the way there.
We can sit literally on the same spot.
Maybe.
Would you just listen to me?
Extreme hot. No, green hot. Oh, it can get it. It can get it.
What?
No, and it's soft.
Alright, come here. Stop with your gloves. At the mouth. That's this one.
Two hands.
So we're just gonna walk all the way down first. On the way back.
Everybody's having the same idea.
What?
Oh, peraí, deixa eu fazer uma.
Be careful. What?
I'm trying and let me take a picture of the three of us.
You're happy?
They
Nice.
said they really love lights like this. Lights like this.
Let's keep walking.
What's your papa?
Yeah, it's
Wait, I forgot what you said. You're gonna go on the stair or no?
no. Wait.
You have to go to the Portuguese sardine. No, first we're gonna walk all the way there and then when
Not too far, is it? Ah, look at Ah, I need to donut.
Yeah? Take your point?
Oh, that's the hummingbird.
Is there a hump?
Up there. Show the hummingbird up there.
Yeah, I know.
Hummingbirds gonna hum.
Oh, they don't hump. Man, I'm almost high from the smell. It's like it's all over.
I said, don't get the full finger, just get the
Relaxed, yeah. I tell you, it created a different vibe for New York.
Oh, there's a pizza store here.
Yeah, it's gonna be everywhere. Take let's go back.
the one that makes lights. What?
Let's go back.
Yeah, but we
Like, you turn there, the next turn, like,
Yeah, but we
olha aquele building que legal, tem umas árvores.
But
Okay.
we're going to a ferry.
Yes. Wednesday.
Yeah, but we can take a bus.
A bus? No.
Why?
Only the ferry. Maybe a train. I don't know. Depends on the situation of your leg. Why is it so busy? Juniors, what? Restaurant? Juniors, what? Nossa, it's really a big restaurant there. It's really bananas.
Maybe.
What is that thing from social media? Olha pra ATM, oh my gosh, remember the ATM? Olha a Senhora Liberdade aqui, ó. Senhora Liberdade. Mas olha da cara disso daí, cara.
No.
3 for $13. Você quer um souvenir?
Alright, so that's it?
There.
Oh, like, see the Radio City, they have the Christmas stuff. Turn here and then we come back. Turn.
What's really sick?
Just remember the way back. Go like this. Are you feeling okay? Are you cold? Actually, so good.
Sorry about that.
Start a little fast.
Now let's go.
I think there's a pizza place here. Oh yeah, there is a pizza place.
Yeah, they will be everywhere.
I kind of feel like I did see so much pizza.
Olha esse carro velho.
I thought there were gonna be so much. I see pizza. Actually, pizza.
Do you see that creature up there? That's probably. Ay, ay. Here.
Hey, Brian. See what happens there.
It's good. It's so good.
Kind of slowed down a little bit.
That's a question you ask a lot of times here, son.
What is it?
Is it a bit?
Gender.
This is nice. They designed it.